Okay, so let's take a look at how we can use a square to show fractions. So you can agree that this is one whole square, So what can we do? Just like with the fraction bars, we can make 2 halves of one whole square, okay? So 2, this is 1/2 right here, and this is 1/2 right here, and that makes 1/2 and 1/2 makes one whole square, okay? So that's simple. Let's move on to another example quickly using cubes. Erase this. So, actually, let's start with using what we call a hexagon. Okay. So this is one whole hexagon. It has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? One whole hexagon. One whole. So now let's break this hexagon into parts. So we're going to use a couple of different ways, okay? Okay, we're going to still use our halves, because 2 reds, let's put it on right here, 2 red parts make one whole part, right? So this is 1/2 of a hexagon, 1/2 of a hexagon. Okay, and if we remember from our fraction bar slide, you can actually add 1/2 because this is one part of a whole, which is 2 parts. The denominator always tells you how many parts. So 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 2 halves. It's not 2/4. It's not 2/4. It's 2 halves. And guess what? 2 halves equals 1. You're going to want to know that later on for math, and it'll make your life a lot easier. Now let's bring up our one whole hexagon, and then let's split it up in a different way. So we have 1, 2, 3 blue shapes. So let's put these blue shapes on top of our whole. So how many blue shapes do we have? We have 3, okay? We have 3 blue shapes. So one shape is 1/3 because there's 3 shapes that make up one whole. There's another shape plus 1/3, and there's another shape plus 1/3. Now, you probably know what I'm about to say or how I'm going to add these fractions. So if I add 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. And there's 3 parts, so we leave 3 in the denominator. And what does that equal? One whole. One whole. Let me show you it again real quick. So these 3 parts equal one whole. Okay, we can go even farther if you want to, because a hexagon has how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So guess what? We can take 6 triangles and make these 6 triangles into one whole. So 6 triangles would be 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. Okay, and the way you would build it is like this. Okay, so do you agree that this hole fits perfectly on top of these 6 triangle shapes? Okay, so again, let's do it again. 1, 2, really quickly because you know how to do this by now. 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. My pen is running out. Plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. Okay, how many 6? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 6. And we know we have 6 parts of one whole, so we leave 6 in the denominator. And what is 6 equals 6 equals 1 whole. Nice. Good job.